Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to craft the perfect protein shake. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to boost your protein intake, this guide will have you blending like a pro. First up, add your base liquid. Pour 1 cup or 240 ml of your choice. Milk, juice, soy milk, almond milk, or even coconut milk into the blender. For a thicker shake, throw in a few ice cubes and blend for about 10 seconds on medium speed. If you're allergic to dairy, plant-based milks like almond or coconut are great alternatives and better for weight loss too. Next, let's talk protein. Add your whey protein mix. Protein powder is an efficient way to ensure you're getting your daily dose. After the base liquid, add your protein powder to the blender and blend at medium speed for 15 seconds. This ensures the powder dissolves completely, so no chunky surprises. Generally, men should use 2 scoops and women 1 scoop if you're looking to build muscle. Now for the fun part, enhancing your shake. Add fruits like berries or bananas, or even Greek yogurt for extra vitamins and creaminess. Nuts and nut butters like almonds or peanuts add healthy fats and rich flavor. Feeling indulgent? Add low-fat frozen yogurt for a thicker shake. Flavor enhancers like sugar-free maple syrup or vanilla extract can make your shake irresistible. And if you love fruits, try fruit-flavored whey protein or dried fruit powder for a tasty twist. With all your ingredients in, start blending on medium speed. As the noise reduces, gradually increase to high speed and blend for at least 45 seconds or until everything's smooth. Finally, turn off your blender and remove the lid. Pour a bit into a glass and taste test. If you find ice chunks, blend again for another 10 seconds. If it's too watery, add more milk or yogurt to thicken it up. And there you have it, the ultimate protein shake. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. Cheers to your health and fitness journey.